Hey guys, so today I'm going to be building a little clothing store right next to this cafe that I started building. A little bit of a sneak peek there. I don't know, I was just kind of annoyed at how it's looking. So I just kind of took a pause on that. And yeah, I think that we're just going to get right into this building. This is one of those buildings that is, what's the word, like split in half, I guess. So yeah, let's get right into that. So this is one of those buildings that's like split in two. Sorry that my voice sounds a little weird by the way right now, guys. Don't really know what's happening there, so that's fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to figure out like a cool... I do not like this. This is not cooking. I'm gonna make these concrete. That's a little bit better. And concrete as well for this. Also, sorry if my clicks are really loud. Still trying to fix my whole microphone thing, so that's fun. Okay, this is probably the last video that I'm going to be posting for a little while because school is starting for me pretty soon and I'm going on vacation for like a week or something. So yeah, I'm really running low on time, and then I don't really like to post during the school year, just because I don't know, schoolwork is like difficult and I have a lot of it. And this year I'm doing something with like the college that's near me, so I'm literally taking college classes as well. So yeah, making this year very difficult for myself, very fun, you know. So yeah, I think that blue would be pretty cute here. Just gonna make it lighter. It looks really strange in my opinion. That's weird. Okay. I gotta make sure these are like even. This building looks kind of strange, low-key. Should I just make the whole thing brick? Probably. Okay, and then I'm gonna make this a display window right there though. No. Oh, that's good. There. So we're just gonna put this, like, right there. Yeah. So as I was saying, I'm just doing this, like, dual enrollment thing with a college near me, a community college. So I'm literally gonna be like a college student, and I'm currently in high school, so I'm taking college classes also while doing high school stuff. So really pushing myself this year, which is good, but you know, definitely not gonna have like any time to post. And even if I do have time to post, I should probably be spending that time studying or something. So sadly, I won't be posting much during the school year, but that's okay because I'll probably post every once in a while. And yeah, I'm not trying to like tell you guys that you shouldn't like subscribe or anything. You totally should, so then you know when I post. I just wanted you guys to not be like worried about me, although I doubt that would happen, but like don't be worried if I go like MIA. And I'll probably like do some community posts, probably post on Instagram a little bit of what I'm working on. Yeah, so here's the clothing store. I'm gonna go on Pinterest for some clothing stuff, clothing store ideas. So have you guys gone on any vacations? I don't really do any vacations this summer. Not that multiple vacations isn't like a lot. Like I went to one other place, but it wasn't anything big. But then I'm going to the beach, and I'm excited for that. Love the beach. Yeah, so comment down below if you've gone any places. And let's like start this interior. I'm thinking I'll have like dressing rooms maybe upstairs. I think that could be cool. Yeah, I definitely think I'll do that. Also, just ignore all the cafe sneak peeks that you're getting, okay? like, just ignore them. Okay, so I think I like this area for the stairs. I think we're just gonna have like the checkout area be right there. I'm trying to see on Pinterest if there's any like extra cute looking checkout area. I don't know. I think I'll just worry about that in a bit. So yeah, right here we're gonna have some dressing rooms. There you go. Maybe like a little bathroom as well or something. Okay guys, so it is now time for the tour. So here is our little fashion clothing store. I made these custom clothing things outside. We got just normal top, tube top, jean shorts, and whatever the heck type of pants those are. And then this really cute little area where you can get clothes. You can chill and read the magazine. You can sit right here. And then we also have the little checkout. I really love these photos. I kind of just copy and paste them everywhere, but they're cute. And then up here as well, changing rooms. Didn't mean to shut that. So changing rooms, and yeah. It's pretty simple, but I think it's really cute, and I like it. It's a good filler store. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This, like I said, will be one of my last videos for a decent amount of time. I might post like once a month maybe, but it's not going to be very frequent, so just wanted you guys to know that. Thank you again so much for watching. If you could just interact with this video in some way, like liking, commenting, or subscribing, or all of them, that would just really help the YouTube algorithm pick up my videos. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.